while using a dangerous weapon. Contrary
That's
to
Waukesha County Judge Jennifer
941.
Darrow there, again going over jury instruction. Let's get to 12 News' Jaron Jordan, who's been following what has been another interesting day, to say the least. Jaron, inside the courtroom, at one point, Brooks even removed his shirt.
That's right, Deanna, and you said it. Interesting, maybe an understatement for just the drama we've seen play out in the Waukesha County Courthouse this morning. Brooks does have his shirt back on now. We're going to get to that in just a second. You just saw those live images from inside of the courtroom, and it has taken us a lot to get here this morning. Court started right on time, 8:30 as scheduled, but by 8:32, Darrell Brooks had already interrupted the judge multiple times.
I am well aware that's another interruption. I'm well aware. Stop
respectfully,
talking.
which I have the right to do.
I'm well aware, Mr. Brooks, that you object to the name that has identified on the information and all documents in this case. Your objection is noted. It does not need to be repeated. I will make a record right now. The court notes a continuing objection by Mr. Brooks of his name and that he objects to being here. But again, all right, Mr. Brooks, you are now going to be.
And so just like we've seen in previous days this week, the judge removed Brooks from the courtroom, placed him in an adjacent courtroom so that the proceedings could continue. His interruptions, though, continued even there. The court then took a brief recess. When court resumed, Brooks was shirtless.
This morning alone, he started interrupting this court within a minute of the court calling the case. I should also make a record at the moment he is muted because of the way that he was removed from the courtroom and his conduct since. I have been given just a bit of information about it. I will advise everyone that I have required that the Sheriff's Department file a written report with the court regarding Mr. Brooks's conduct. I'm told that he would not sit down while in this courtroom in order to have the shackles removed so that he could be taken to the other courtroom, that he was resisting, that at one point he took off a shoe and it appeared to the deputies that he was going to throw the shoe. You can see that he is seated with his back to the court or to the camera. He took his shirt off as well. I'm also told that he is threatening to throw and break items. I want to give...
Now, there was also brief discussion about Brooks' mental capacity to continue with trial after all of this. The judge noted that there have been multiple doctor evaluations that have found that he is competent to stand trial. Judge Darrow said Brooks' behavior is more in line with someone who's being defiant and trying to make a mockery of the court. Again, right now she's reading those jury instructions. We do know that the jury is in the courtroom, so things kind of settling down and at least proceeding for now. Deanna.